Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand the story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movement of WTI Crude futures in different time frames. Here you can see that after touching the lows of $51 on February 11, 2019, WTI Crude futures were maintaining a strong uptrend in the hourly chart. Here you can see that they are continuously maintaining an uptrend in this trading range. No doubt that till the last closing session they were still inside this uptrend zone. Therefore, I find that we may see a directional move on the first trading session of the upcoming week. If we find a gap down opening amid this zone at the level of $57, I find that the first support level of $56.56 will provide a good support to WTI Crude futures, and if they maintain a sustainable move here, I find the WTI Crude futures to bounce back from the levels of $56.56 in an upward direction, and in case if they see a more downward move, I find that the second support level will provide a good support to WTI Crude futures, because here we find that the existence of 200 days moving average is evident enough to provide a strong support to WTI Crude futures in case of a downward move, which is currently exists at the level of $55.55, where I find that the WTI Crude futures will find a good support. On the other hand, if the WTI Crude futures finds a gap up opening above the level of $57.57, we will find the WTI Crude futures to try to sustain above the level of $58, and no doubt that the first two trading session of the upcoming week will witness the movements of WTI Crude futures in zigzag manners. If we find a opening above the level of $58, we will find the WTI Crude futures to face stiff resistance at the level of $59.59, where the first resistance level will provide stiff resistance to WTI Crude futures. So I find that WTI Crude futures look to move amid this zone during the upcoming week. Once the WTI Crude futures finds a sustainable move above the level of $59.59, we will see them to go more upward for their next target of $62.62, where the third resistance level at the level of $63 will provide stiff resistance to WTI Crude futures in case of a stiff upward move. On the other hand, if we find a good gap up opening above the level of $60 on the first trading session, we will find a short covering rally, very short V, which will keep this uptrend intact above the level of $62.62. No doubt that the BS will try to sell every upward move, but on the other hand, the formation of a golden cross in an hourly chart in WTI Crude futures will keep this uptrend intact, because here you can see that the WTI Crude futures have formed a golden cross on February 12, 2019, where the 20 days exponential moving average along with other moving averages have crossed the 200 days moving average, and since then we can see here an advent of an uptrend in WTI Crude futures, which is still intact till the last weekly closing, and I find that this sustainable uptrend is going to result in a sharp upward move with a good gap up on the first trading session of the upcoming week. So friends, I find on the lower side, I find a good support at the 200 days moving average in the hourly chart. I find that the levels of $55 will provide a good buying opportunity to WTI Crude bulls with a stop loss at $52.52, where the WTI Crude futures are likely to take a bounce back if they move up to these low levels, where I find find a good buying support from the WTI crude oil bulls. So friends, WTI crude oil futures are likely to remain on an uptrend during the upcoming week. So friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this channel with your more and more friends. Thank you.